Today we take a little tour around Ixia. It's 16th of May 2025 and let's hop on to the scooter and what's around, let's see. So we are starting our tour near Avra Beach Resort, and this is one side of it. You can rent scooters, all kind of tours, restaurants, pizzerias. So let's get down this main road and check what is here. A lot of construction going on, so I try to navigate with my scooter as best I could. If you come to roads, don't use these kinds of ATMs. You pay a lot of fees taking out cash, so rather use Greek banks. So here you can watch some sports, football, basketball, mini markets. Many people ask from me where I can buy tobacco, where are the tobacco shops. These are it, all over roads. Mini markets, supermarkets sell tobacco products, and in Rhodes town there are some vape shops also, and you can even find some e-cigarettes from pharmacy in Greece. But yeah, we are right next to Avra Beach Resort, which is a very popular hotel in Ixia. Across the road you can rent a car easily from Superior and Avra Beach Resort. I wanted to tell you, if you come to Ixia, then expect to have a hotel vacation mostly, because every day someone asks from Facebook group, where is the sandy beach? I can say you are in the wrong place, because all the sandy beaches start from Faliraki across the island, and from this side the beach is really windy, and there are no sandy beaches on west side. So all the sandy beaches are on the east side, starting from Faliraki and going forward to south. Lots of travel agencies here. Now we have a little bit empty road, so I speed up so we can get to the good stuff. Ixia has nice location because it's 4 kilometers from Rhodes city, and you can basically walk through Cato Pedres, which is the nicest walking path. So if you want to see that path, then check my YouTube channel. I have videos about that. Rock Island Live Stage Bar. You can get beer, long drinks, classic cocktails. This place seems really cool place. But most of the places open during evening time. Sun Prime Merimere Beach Hotel is here. But let's check the taxi prices, because everyone is asking about taxi prices. These are it. So if you want to get a private taxi or transfer or island tours or excursions, then you should go to loonitravels.com, because I made sure that my viewers get the best prices and best customer service from trusted local companies. So you get best prices, and I can assure you that your transfer or island tour is very smooth. You can also hop onto the buses from bus stations. It usually takes like 2.5 or 3 euros to go to the Rhodes city. But most of the time the buses are full, because it's the same bus that comes from airport. So lots of people get on from airport, and that's why sometimes the buses won't even stop, even if you wave them or stand at the bus station, because bus is full and they just don't have enough room. So we have many mini markets, supermarkets across the streets where you can buy chips, drinks, souvenir stuff, tobacco, alcohol and so on. This place I know because I have seen them on Facebook groups and they are really funny guys. Let's see. This is a very popular place, as I understand from reading Facebook comments and everything. They have all the prices listed here, also Finnish, Swedish and all kind of languages. Let's see the prices. Yes, prices are also okay. So this is El Greco. Let's take one step inside. Nice little restaurant. Hello! People are very warm and welcoming. So this is one of the two places that caught my eye watching social media and so on. FBI, easy menu, prices are all here, and you can get Mythos beer for 5.5 euros. So this is like English style pub. So yeah, basically always watch Google Maps or check if there are prices, because in Rhodos town there are many places that are tourist traps. They don't have prices and you end up paying 70 euros. As far as I see in Ixia, all the prices are transparent. You can watch it what you like and go in if you like. So another Greek taverna. Lots of options to enjoy your meal. Today is really windy day. Usually it's not that windy. We expect 50 kilometers per hour wind today and it's 20 degrees outside. It's May 16th, 2025. So usually we have more sun during season, but it's just the beginning of the season, so everything is open. Weather is good for Finnish people, United Kingdom people and everywhere else, but for me it's really cold. I have to use winter jacket still. And the second place that caught my eye is this Romeo. So they also caught my eye. Many people like this place, from pasta to pizza and everything else. So from Rhodos.
From Rhodos?
Yes.
I
don't speak Greek.
I don't speak Greek.
No, but I live in Kiotari.
Kiotari?
Yes.
Original where?
From Estonia.
From Estonia?
Yes. So this is a good place?
The best. from this side, no play okay. I have a TripAdvisor.
Yes. I'm making a YouTube video about Ixia, so...
Yeah, it's very good.
Yes. So this was Romeo, so let's go forward. Quick battery change. And Hellas supermarket. Ooh, what a wind! Crazy wind today, about 50 kilometers per hour sometimes, but I'm used to it. So here we have windsurf, jet bike, all kind of water sport activities with wind. So if you want to know more about Ixia, then Ixia is in great location because it's close to Rhodos town. Here we have Olympic Palace Hotel, huge hotel again. Ixia has great location because it's so close to Rhodos city, but it's mainly hotel vacation, I would say, because you have Pebbly Beach here. All the huge hotels are located on this side. And it's the windy side of the island. So many people ask where are the sandy beaches from Ixia. I can say you are in the wrong place because, oh my god, the road construction is crazy this year. They had whole winter to do that, but I don't know why they didn't. What we have here, some kind of helicopter mission. Sorry for that, we don't see many helicopters around, so something is happening. Yeah, the closest sandy beach is in Paliraki, which is the other side of the island, across the island from Ixia. And I can say that Paliraki is more family-friendly place also. I can't comment inside the hotels because there are so many hotels and people have different tastes, budgets and so on, so I don't really know what's inside the hotels, so I can't recommend that. But I can recommend everything else. If you need any video about the island, you can find it from my YouTube channel. Or you can visit loonitravels.com if you need some special prices, better transfer deals, because I looked really carefully to find a local source for transfer island tours, excursions that I can trust, and I know they can offer the best experience to my viewers and also the best prices. So go loonitravels.com, there you can find secret deals. And also you can even rent me out if you want to have a driver, need someone to show you around, because I have visited most of the places on this island. Surfer's Paradise. In Ixia we have Pebbly beaches, so one thing you need is beach shoes. They cost 10 euros. That way you can protect your feet, and also it's easier to go inside the water if you wear water shoes. And they are found everywhere, every mini market, supermarket, so it's easy to find them and it's cheap. And also you find the mini markets few hundred meters from each other. And if you like to visit Rhodos town, then this side has a very nice walking path to Rhodos city. So it takes about 20-25 minutes. I can show you later where that starts. Here we have Lito Hotel, also good views on the beach. Next one is Bel Air Hotel. So basically hotel after another is in Ixia. So that's why I'm saying it's more like hotel vacation, because all the 4- and 5-star hotels are located here near the Rhodos town. Bel Air, 5 stars. Here you can rent a car, My Way rent a car, some supermarkets, restaurants, Galaxy rent a car. So lots of things to do, lots of restaurants, lots of supermarkets, and you even don't have to go to town, Rhodos town. Here we have Rhodos Palace, another huge hotel. So all these hotels are pretty full during season time. And if you want to get around the island, then bus transportation is also a cheap option, and also you can find buses coming every 30 minutes. Sorry about the wind, guys. So from here you can go to Lindos Faliraki if you have a car, and also we have hospital nearby. As you see, one guy needed a hospital because Greeks drive like crazy. That's what I can say you. They don't respect others much, because even when I'm on a scooter, they want to drive by as close as they can without giving any space. Nice beaches, nice hotels, but mainly hotel vacation. So if you find this video useful, then put a like, comment. If you have visited Ixia before, comment where you have been, because I'd like to know which hotels are good, because some people are asking from me, and then I can say something at least. So here we have a taxi park. Let's see the taxi prices from Ixia. All kind of prices, they are usually fixed and you don't have to worry. But if you need a private transfer or private taxi or island tours, then go to loonitravels.com. You'll find secret deals there, and I made sure that my viewers get the best prices and best experience available from local company that I can trust. Here we have Sol Cosmopolitan Hotel, and soon we are out of Ixia. Here you can also find a mini golf. So if you come with kids, you can find some things to do with kids. But most of the kids areas are in Faliraki, like playgrounds and so on. And if you follow this road for about 1 kilometer, then you can reach Cato Pedres road, which is the nicest walking path in the whole road. And it takes about 15 minutes to reach to the town. So if you like walking, you like to watch sunsets, then take this road. I see some people are swimming at the moment. For me, it's even cold outside, because I'm used to 30 degrees and up, and it's 20 degrees at the moment. And if you want to catch the perfect sunset, then you should climb up to Monte Smith viewpoint or mountain hill. Let's say hill is smaller. So yeah. So basically this is the end of Ixia. So go check loonitravels.com, and also don't forget to subscribe if you like roads, because this channel is all about roads and I try to make a new video every week. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.